Edyston concrete healing technology is the easiest way to rejuvenate cracked and corroded concrete without wasting time and money. For applying the patent-pending Edyston technology on your damaged or deteriorated concrete, concrete the concrete structure. Whether it's a bridge, slab, or wharf, it needs a thorough and easy-to-do cleaning. Step 1 of Edyston application process. Start with a cleaning process. Use a standard pressure washer to pressure wash the concrete with clean water to remove salts, grease, and coatings. Also make sure to use a hammer to knock off any loose debris. Step 2. Allow the concrete to get to a saturated surface dry condition, where the surface is dry to the touch and the concrete is saturated with water. Step 3. Add the Edyston products per the damage level in successive coats. Apply each coat at 1,000 to 750 square feet per gallon until you reach the required amount. And now the Edyston is working its way deep into the concrete to heal and extend the life of your structure. Whether at home or at work, Edyston is perfect for rejuvenating your deteriorated concrete. So if you want to become a concrete medic, you'll need the only antibiotic for concrete healing. Add an Edyston kit to your cart and start fortifying your deteriorated concrete today.